Good morning to all of you. Government Degree College, Shantinagar, Jogulamba Gadwal District, Department of Mathematics. Name of the lecturer P. Raghavendra. Now, today we are going to discuss in differential equations. In differential equations, now we are going to discuss that is exact differential equation methods. We have already discussed exact differential equation definition and some problems, and in this we discuss exact differential equation methods. Already we discussed exact differential equation method and some problems. In exact differential equation we have the some methods. Now we are going to discuss the exact differential equation methods. They are in exact differential equation. First method, in some cases integrating factor is found by inspection using the following few exact differential. It easy to find the integrating factor. Here some formulas is given. By seeing this one, by seeing if any given differential equation in this form, it can be written in dy of y by x, then by seeing x dy minus y dx by x square, by seeing this is as a exact differential equation, then by seeing it, it can be converted into d of y by x, and it can be easy to integrate, and integration, differentiation and integration is both sides is cancel. By cancelling we get the general solution. Some of the formulas are given, that is a the formula number a, d of y by x is equal to x into dy minus y into dx by x square. Here the definition is, in some cases integrating factor is found by inspection using the few exact differential equation. Means here some exact differential equations are given. These exact differential equation can be written as d of x comma y or d of y by x. Now this is a integrating factor. This is the integrating factor, means given differential equation, by seeing the given differential equation, it can be written in the form of formula this one by d of x by y, d of y by x. Now taking integration both sides, simply we get the general solution. Now some of the formulas is given. The formulas are a, d of y by x is equal to x dy minus y dx by x square, means this given differential equation can be written as by exact form, that is d of y by x. Another b, d of x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by y square, means the given differential equation can be written in the form of exact form, that is integrating factor, that is d of x by y. Now see, d of x by y is equal to x dy minus y dx, means if a given differential equation is x dy plus y dx, this can be written in the form of exact form, that is exact, in the form of exact. By the definition we have d of x comma y. Now d of x comma y is equal to x dy plus y dx. For this is converted into this form. This one is converted into this form. Now d of x comma y, taking as a integration both sides, we get to integration, differentiation is cancelled, then we get the general solution. Another formula, d of x square by y is equal to 2yx dx minus x square dy by y square. Now another formula c, e is equal to e formula, d of y square by x is equal to 2 of xy dy minus y square by y square dx by x square. Now f formula, d of x square by y square is equal to 2xy square dx minus 2x square y dy by y power 4. Now g, d of y square by x square is equal to, here d of y square by x square means it can be written in differential equation, standard form of differential equation, by doing d of y square by x square, by doing differentiation we get x square 2y dy minus y square 2x dx by x power 4. Now h, d of 1 by x is equal to minus of x dy plus y dx by x square into y square. Now d of log y by x is equal to x dy minus y dx by xy. Now j, d of log x by y is equal to log x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by xy. Now k, d of tan inverse x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square. Now l, d of tan inverse y by x is equal to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Now m, d of e power x by y is equal to y into e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square. And h, d of e power y by x is equal to x into e power y dy minus e power y dx by x square. Now d, d of minus 1 by xy is equal to x dy plus y dx by x square plus y square. d of 1 by 2 log x square plus y square is equal to x dx plus y dy by x square plus y square. Here some formulas is given, the formulas is a b c d up to p. Here if the given differential equation in given formulas up to a to p is some formulas is given. If given differential equation which is given differential equation is in the form of this one, any the given differential equation is in the form of given this one, this can be written in form of d of x square by y like this. If the any differential equation given, the differential equation can be written as d of, if the given differential equation is not in the form of a to p, then we have to by multiplying or dividing this one x square or y square x or y, then this can be converted into these principles a to p. Then by using these principles we have to solve the differential equation which is the exact form. Now some questions is given. The questions are given, solve 1 plus xy into y dx plus 1 minus xy into x dy is equal to 0. Now the given problem can be written in the form of y dx plus xy square dx plus x dy minus x square y dy is equal to 0. Now it can be written in the form of y dx plus x dy plus xy square dx minus x square y dy is equal to 0. Now it will be by dividing this equation can be divided with x square into y square. By dividing x square y square we get y dx plus x dy by x square plus y square plus xy square by x square y square dx minus x square y dy by x square y square. By simply cancelling we get here this one. Here x and y square is cancelled, here x square and y is cancelled, and this one y dx plus x dy by x square into y square, it can be given some formulas is given by the last page. We have the some formulas. By seeing the formula we have to write the formula is d of minus 1 by x plus and 1 by x dx minus 1 by y dy. Here y dx plus x dy by x square plus x square into y square, this can be written in the form of d of minus 1 by x. Now this x y dx plus x dy by x square y square is is written in the form of d of minus 1 by x, which is a exact form, and it is a integrating factor. It is treated as a integrating factor. Therefore d of minus 1 by x plus here 1 by x dx, by cancelling x and y square we get 1 by x dx minus 1 by y dy is equal to 0. Now in this case I am integrating both sides. We get to integration d of minus 1 by x plus integration 1 by x dx minus integration 1 by y dy is equal to 0. Here in this one here integration differentiation is cancelled. By integration differentiation is cancelled, we get to minus 1 by x, and here integration 1 by x dx we get to integration 1 by x dx we get to log x minus integration 1 by y dy we get to log y. Then by simplifying we get to log x by y is equal to c plus 1 by xy. Here the problem is given. The problem can be written in the form of exact form. By writing exact form, I am dividing with x square y square. By dividing x square y square, we get the form y dx plus x dy by x square y square, and another one is something is cancelled, x and y is cancelled. By cancelling we get the y dx plus x dy by x square y square plus 1 by x dx minus 1 by y dy. Here y dx plus x dy by x square y square, this can be written in the form of exact form, that is a integrating factor form, that is d of minus 1 by x. This can be written in the exact or integrating factor form. By the definition of integrating factor, the y dx plus x dy by x square into y square can be written in the d of minus 1 by x, which is a integrating factor. By writing this one, and similarly taking integration both sides, by integration differentiation by cancelling, we get the general solution of the above given problem. Now another problem. Solve x cube e power x minus my square dx plus mxy dy is equal to 0. By seeing this problem, we have to write x cube e power x dx minus my square dx plus mxy dy is equal to 0. Now taking m as a common, we get to x cube e power x dx plus m into xy dy minus y square dx is equal to 0. By writing m as a common, by observing, we have the sum of the principles up to a to p. By observing the some principles, we have to see which can be converted. By the seeing the above differential equation, which this differential equation is converted to sum of the form. The sum of the form means given formulas, that is a to p. By dividing the x cube for the above differential equation, we get e power x dx plus m into y by x square dy minus y square by x cube dx is equal to 0. By taking LCM, we get e power x dx plus m by 2 into x square 2y dy minus 2x y square dx by x power 4 is equal to 0. This can be written in the form of d of y square by x square, which is a integrating factor of the above given differential equation. Therefore we get e power x dx plus m by 2 into d of y square by x square. Here this differential equation can be written in the form of integrating factor form, that is d of y square by x square. Then writing the integrating factor form, we get to e power x dx plus m by 2 d of y square by x square is equal to 0. Now the above differential equation can be written in the integrating factor form. integrating factor form, that is d of y square by x square is equal to 0. Then taking integration both sides, we get to integration e power x dx plus m by 2 integration d of y square by x square is equal to c. By here integration of e power x, we get to this one. Here integration of e power x dx, we get to e power x. Here m by 2. Here integration and differentiation is cancelled, both integration and differentiation is cancelled. We get to m by 2 into y square by x square is equal to c. Therefore we get the general solution, that is 2x square e power x plus my square is equal to 2x square c, which is a general solution for the given problem. Now another problem. Now problem number 3. The problem, solve x dy minus y dx is equal to a into x square plus y square dy. Now the above problem can be written in the form of x dy minus y dx is equal to a into x square plus y square dy. Now by multiplying with x square plus y square, we get the above one, that is x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square is equal to a dy. Here this one, x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square is equal to a dy. This one is, which is in the form of, we have the formulas up to a to p. Here formula number L. For by the formula L we have that can be written, by formula L we have that can be written d of tan inverse y by x is equal to a into dy, which is a integrating factor. For this I am integrating both sides. Once again I am repeating this one, x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square, which the above given differential equation, which is have the formula number L. By observing the L, we can write the formula is d of tan inverse y by x. By writing d of tan inverse y by x is equal to a dy, which this is the form is called the integrating factor. By the definition of integrating factor, we get to d of tan inverse y by x is equal to a into dy. Then I am taking integration both sides, we get to integration differentiation tan inverse y by x is equal to a into integration dy. Integration and differentiation is cancelled, then we get the tan inverse y by x is equal to ay plus c. Then the general solution, we get to tan of ay plus c is equal to y by x, which is a general solution for the given problem. Now another problem, solve y dx minus x dy plus 1 plus x square dx plus x square sin y dy is equal to 0. Now divide the above given problem with x square. We get y dx minus x dy by x square plus 1 plus x square by x square dx plus sin y dy is equal to 0. Now it can be written minus of x dy minus y dx by x square plus 1 by x square dx plus 1 dx plus sin y dy. Now this one can be easily integrable. Now this form, x dy minus y dx by x square, now it can be written in the form of this one, d of y by x. By seeing the integrating factors formulas, we get to x dy minus y dx by x square. This one can be written in the form of integrating factor, that is d of y by x. Now writing minus d of y by x plus 1 by x square dx plus dx plus sin y dy. Now integrating, taking as a integration both both sides we get to in minus of integration dy y by x plus integration 1 by x square dx plus integration dx plus integration sin y dy is equal to c. Here integration this one, here integration differentiation is cancelled. By cancelling we get to minus y by x. Here this one integration of 1 by x square we get to minus 1 by x plus integration of dx we get to x, and integration of sin y we get to cos y, that is equal to c. By taking minus 1 by x as a common, we get to minus 1 by x minus 1 by x into y plus 1 minus x square minus x cos x is equal to c. By multiplying, by cross multiplying we get to y plus 1 minus x square plus x cos x is equal to minus xc. Therefore the general solution for the above given problem is y minus x square plus 1 x cos y plus xc is equal to 0. Now we have the another problem. Problem number is 5. Given problem is solve y into 2xy plus e power x dx is equal to e power x dy. Now by multiplying y we get 2xy square dx plus y e power x dx is equal to e power x dy. Now for multiplying with y above equation, for this equation I am dividing with y square. I am dividing with y square. We get to 2xy square by y square dx plus y e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square is equal to 0. Then multiply by cancelling here y square, this one. By cancelling y square we get to 2x dx. Now here this underlined one, y e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square, which is can be written as d of e power x by y, which is a integrating factor. Then it can be written as this form. And taking integration both sides we get to integration 2x dx plus integration d of e power x by y is equal to here integration of 0. Then we get to integration of x value we get to 2 into x square by 2, and here integration differentiation is cancelled. We get to e power x by y is equal to c. Therefore the general solution is x square y plus e power x is equal to c into y. Now another problem. Here the another problem is given. Solve y into sin 2x dx is equal to 1 plus y square plus cos square x dy. Now it can also be written as taking as a this equation can be taken to left hand side, taken to right hand side. We get to minus y sin 2x dx plus 1 plus y square dy plus cos square x dy. Here this one this one can be written in the form of by formula. We have the by inspection we have the formula cos square x dy minus y sin 2x dx can be written as d of y cos square x. Once again, by observing, by underlined one, cos square x dy minus y sin 2x dx can be written as d of y into cos square x. Now it can be written in the form of integrating factor. Then we get to taking integration both sides we get to integration d of y cos square x plus integration dy plus integration y square dy is equal to 0. Here integration differentiation is cancelled, we get to y into cos square x, integration of dy we get to y, plus integration y square we get y cube by 3, that is equal to integration of 0 we get to c, that is arbitrary constant. Then that is 3y cos square x plus 3y plus y cube is equal to c. This is a general solution for the given problem. Now another problem number is 7. Now the problem number 7 is given. Solve x square dy by dx plus xy is equal to under root 1 minus x square into y square. Now it can be written by simplification, we get to x square dy plus xy dx is equal to under root 1 minus x square y square dx. Taking x as a common for this one, taking x as a common, we get to x into x dy plus y dx is equal to under root 1 minus x square into y square dx. Now by cross multiplication we get to x into x dy plus y dx by under root 1 minus x square y square. This one, by this one, writing x as and right hand side we get integration x dy plus y dx by under root 1 minus x square y square is equal to 1 by x dx. Now this one x dy plus y dx by under root 1 minus x square y square, it can be written integrating factor form, which we have the formula, that is d of sin inverse x into y. Now this underlined differential equation can be written in the form of d of x inverse xy. Now taking integration both sides, we get to integration d of sin inverse xy is equal to integration 1 by x, we get to log x plus c. Here differentiation integration cancel, we get to xy is equal to sin log x plus c, which is a general solution for the above given problem. Here we have the another method. In method 1 we discussed by observing the differential equation, means by inspecting the differential equation, it can be converted into integrating factor. Now by converted into integrating factor, by taking both sides integration, we get to integration differential is cancelled. By converting into by inspection the above differential equation can be converted into simply by integrating factors. By integrating factor, taking as a integration both sides, we get the general solution. Now if any differential equations cannot be converted into integrating factor, that problems can be discussed in method 2. Now the theorem is given. If the differential equation, the given differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, which is a exact one, and it is a homogeneous form, means the given differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, it is a homogeneous differential equation, and mx plus ny not equal to 0. M and m are a functions of x and y. By multiplying m with x and n with y, and by doing addition, we get mx plus ny not equal to 0. Then this is a integrating factor for the above given differential equation. The above given differential equation is a homogeneous form. Once again I am repeating, if m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, which is a homogeneous differential equation. For this homogeneous differential equation, we have a integrating factor, that is 1 by mx plus ny. Means the given above this one, m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, which is a homogeneous differential equation. For this homogeneous differential equation, we have a integrating factor, that is 1 by mx plus ny. Means mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, which is not a exact one. For it is which is a not exact differential equation. For this not exact differential equation, I am simply calculating integrating factor, that is 1 by mx plus ny. Why I am taking 1 by mx plus ny means it is a homogeneous differential equation. For any homogeneous differential equation, we have a integrating factor, that is 1 by mx plus ny. By prove we have to prove that for homogeneous differential equation, we have to show that the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Now the proof is given. We have mdx plus ndy. Now mdx plus ndy can be written in the form of 1 by 2 into mx plus ny dx by x plus dy by y plus mx minus ny dx by x minus dy by y. By simplification, by cancelling this one we get this value mdx plus ndy. Means here mdx plus ndy differential equation can also be written in the form of 1 by 2 into mx plus ny dx into dx by x plus dy by y, and mx minus ny dx by x minus dy by y. Means here mdx plus ndy differential equation can also be written in the above form. Now for the above differential equation, I am multiplying with 1 by mx plus n1. We get 1 by mx plus ny into mdx plus ndy is equal to 1 by 2 into dx by x plus dy by y plus here mx plus ny is cancelled, then mx minus ny by mx plus ny into dx by x minus dy by y is given. This is a equation 2. Now this equation can be written mdx plus ndy by mx plus ny is equal to 1 by 2 into dx by x plus dy by y plus mx minus ny by mx plus ny into dx by x minus dy by y. Here mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Means the above given differential equation is a homogeneous function of degree m and n must be the same. Means here m is the function of x and y and n is the function of x and y. Therefore which is a homogeneous means m and n function have the same degree. Now which is have the variables x and y. Now here mx minus this one mx minus ny by mx plus ny, which is also homogeneous function. This homogeneous function can be written as sum of the function of x by y or f of x by y, which is equation number 3. By using equation 2 and 3, reduce to the above equation, that is mdx plus ndy by mx plus ny, that is equal to 1 by 2 dx by x plus dy by y plus here f of x comma by written. Why? Because of the given mx minus ny plus mx plus ny is a homogeneous differential equation, so that it can be written as f of x by y into dx by x minus dy by y. By taking this can be dx by x, this can be dx by x plus dy by y and dx by x minus dy by y. This is can be written as a by integrating factor form. We have the formula 1 by 2 into, here 1 by 2 is common is there, 1 by 2 into this one dx by x plus dy by y. It can be written in the form of integrating factor, that is d into log of x into y plus this can be f of e power log x by y into d of log x by y. Now it can be written in the form m dx plus n dy mx plus ny is equal to 1 by 2 into d of log xy plus f of log x by y d of log xy. Now which is the form of f of log xy means the above function in the form of f of log xy means here mdx plus ndy is converted in by multiplying this one, the differential equation mdx plus ndy by dividing mx plus ny. The above given differential equation can be converted into f of log x by y, which is a exact one, means the given 1 by mx plus ny is a integrating factor. Once again I am repeating here, mdx plus ndy is a homogeneous differential equation by dividing mx plus ny. For the above homogeneous differential equation, we get the exact differential equation by dividing mx plus ny by above differential equation. We get the exact form. Therefore we get 1 by mx plus ny becomes a integrating factor. Then we know that for any homogeneous differential equation we have a integrating factor. The integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Now which is a integrating factor. Now we have the another method number 3. Same we have the method number 3. If the given equation mdx plus ndy is of the form, means here last method number 2, the given differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, which is a homogeneous differential equation. For this homogeneous differential equation we have a integrating factor, that is 1 by mx plus ny. Here mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, which is the form. The form must be like this: f1 x comma y into y dx plus f2 x comma y into x dy. If the given differential equation is of the form f1 x comma y into y dx plus f2 x comma y into x dy, then we have the integrating factor. That is 1 by mx minus ny. Same what I am followed in method 2, same process we have to follow in the method number 3. Here equal to 0, we have the mdx plus ndy. It can also be written as 1 by 2 into mx plus ny into dx by x plus dy by y plus mx minus ny into dx by x minus dy by y, which is equation number 1. Then we have to show that 1 by mx minus ny is a integrating factor. If 1 by mx minus ny is integrating factor, means we have to multiply with these two above given differential equation. Then we get this one: mdx plus ndy by mx minus ny is equal to 1 by 2 mx plus ny by mx minus ny into dx by x plus dy by y plus dx by x minus dy by y. Then we have here m is f1 x comma y into y, and that is can be written as f3 x comma y, and here n is given. The n is f2 x comma y into x, that can be written as f4 x comma y. Here mdx plus ndy by mx minus ny, that it can be written this one. This can be written 1 by 2 into f3 into x comma y plus f4 into x comma y by f3 x comma y minus f4 x comma y into dx by x. Then we get the formula, that is mdx plus ndy minus mx minus ny is equal to 1 by 2 into f of e power log xy d of log xy plus d of log xy. Now this above equation can be converted into by integrating factor. We get mdx plus ndy by mx minus ny is equal to 1 by 2 into f of log xy d of log xy plus d of log x by y, which is a exact differential equation form. Means this one we have the by multiplying we get this one mdx plus ndy by mx minus ny, which is a exact differential equation. Therefore we get 1 by mx minus ny is a integrating factor. Means here the given differential equation which is not in the form of exact one, by multiplying 1 by mx minus ny we get the exact form. Then what we multiplied 1 by mx minus ny is the integrating factor. Now these are the two methods we discussed. These are the three methods we discussed for the exact differential equation. For this two method, second method and third method, some problems discussed in the next class. Thanks.